What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. Put him in a long butter till he's sober, put him in a long butter till he's sober, put him in a long butter till he's sober, early in the morning. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. Pull out the plug and watch him roll over, pull out the plug and watch him roll over, pull out the plug and watch him roll over, early in the morning. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. Put him in a bilge and make him drink it, put him in a bilge and make him drink it, put him in a bilge and make him drink it early in the morning. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. Chevy's Billy with a rusty razor, Chevy's Billy with a rusty razor, Chevy's Billy with a rusty razor, early in the morning. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. That's what we do with a drunken sailor, that's what we do with a drunken sailor, that's what we do with a drunken sailor, early in the morning. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning.